Hello Eagles, welcome to the third part of the series. In this video, we'll be diving into the discrepancy sheet. By inputting the necessary information, effortlessly track discrepancies and absences and see the data trends and patterns emerge, so everyone knows where everything stands and how it all maps back to the organization's goals. Let's take a closer look. To get to the discrepancy sheet from the dashboard, simply click Discrepancies in the navigation menu on the left. The absence tracker and discrepancies tracker are both in the sheet. To access the absence tracker, simply click Absence Tracker. For now, we will focus on discrepancies. To put a discrepancy entry, fill out the form. Enter the POC's name, enter the GMC's name. Then, select the category of infraction from the list, which includes the same infractions used by the disciplinary action board. Select the disciplinary action given. You can also upload a file. Click the File Upload button. This will bring up a pop-up UI that allows you to set the name of the file. This is optional. After naming the file, you can upload a document, picture, or video. For example, you might attach an LOC. The file will be uploaded to your personal Google Drive and a link will be attached to the submission for others to access the file. Click Submit to add the entry to the discrepancy entry list. The entry will now display all the provided information along with the timestamp. The entry will also be sent to the master log. On the left, you will see the discrepancy counter. Each submission adds to the count of discrepancies for a cadet. Before we get into the process of editing entries, it's important to understand that adding, removing, or editing entries should always be done using the provided buttons and their functionalities. This ensures that the data is accurately reflected in the master log. To edit entries, first click the Edit button. This will display the current entry submitted from the flight. Locate the entry you want to modify, then you can edit any part of the entry except for the timestamp. If you need to replace or add a file, click the Choose File button. Choose the file that you want to upload. Then, make sure to wait for the new file to upload completely. Once you have made all the necessary edits, click the Save button. The system will notify you when the entry has been edited. Let's move on to deleting entries. First, select the cadet whose entry you want to delete from the drop-down box. Next, choose the deletion type, either to delete the last entry or delete all entries for the cadet. For this example, we will delete all the entries. Once selected, press the Delete button. A confirmation message will pop up to ensure you really want to delete all entries. Confirm the deletion to proceed. The deletion will be reflected in the master log. This ensures that all data remain consistent and up to date. The process for handling absences is similar to managing discrepancies with a few specific differences. In the form, you will select the type of absence, either unexcused, waived, or excused. For the training day, select the appropriate option from the drop-down box. It will be either LLab or PT. To the right, you will enter the specific number of the missed training day, such as PT1. The absence counter keeps track of the total number of absences, as well as the number of LLabs and PT sessions missed by each cadet. And that's everything you need to know about the discrepancy sheet. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.